Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to send money from Wise to GoTyme Bank. So what we're going to do first of all is we select right here the option send. And then from here we select the Philippines, for example, to send money to. And then we do 100 euro. Then we select right here not paying with Ideal, but we do right here a bank transfer. And then we do add recipient. Then we select right here bank details, and then from here we select someone else. Then we fill in right here their email, full name of the account holder. And now we go to the most important part, and that is choose the bank name. And then we fill in right here GoTyme Bank, there we go. Then we fill in right here the account number, the PHP accounts only, so that is very important to do. Then fill in right here the city, and then you do continue. I'm not having an GoTyme banking account, so that is why I can't go further than this page. But if you click right here on continue, he will send you to the review page. There check your details, check the payment, and then after that complete your payment, and then you send money from Wise to your GoTyme Bank. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.